Hi, this is Rachel, and we're going to look at compound interest. So we have a question here. Paul has £250. He receives 2% compound interest per year. How much does Paul have after 2 years? Now, compound interest works slightly differently to simple interest. This means we have to calculate the interest every year. So let's start by finding out how much he has after 1 year. So he's receiving 2% of 250 per year. So we need to find 2% of £250. So to do this, 250 divided by 100 times 2. And I'm going to use a calculator for this. So 250 divided by 100 times 2. And that is £5. So 2% is £5. I then need to add this interest amount to the original amount he had. So £250 plus £5, and that gives him £255 at the end of year 1. So now we need to calculate how much Paul has after 2 years. So this is after 1 year, so we need to now do another year. Now the thing about compound interest is we need to recalculate the interest every year using the amount that Paul has. So now Paul has £255. So I need to recalculate this interest. So he's still getting 2%. So I'm finding 2% of £255. So I'm doing 255 divided by 100 times 2. And once again, I'm popping that into my calculator. So 255 divided by 100 times 2. And that is £5 and 10 pence. It says 5.1, but when we're dealing with money, remember we always have to 2 decimal places. So this is the amount of interest Paul earned after the 2nd year. So now we need to add that to the amount he has, which remember is this figure here. So 255 add £5.10, and that gives Paul £260 and 10 pence after 2 years. So now Paul has £260 and 10 pence after 2 years of this compound interest. For every further year the question asks for, we would do exactly the same thing. So if we were being asked how much he has after 3 years, I would find 2% of this amount and then add it to this amount, like we did here, just another step the same.